Hey y'all, happy Tuesday evening. Coming in, we're gonna do a little quick dessert. Okay, so you just double this recipe if you're gonna use a 9 by 13, and you can get you a big can of peaches if you're gonna do like the because I did it at church one time for our feeding. I took one of the number 10 cans of peaches, and I took one of these, and I used 2 boxes of cake mix. So anyway, you're gonna add a can of peaches. And this is just the best choice. Peaches is all they had in the store that particular day. What I do with mine, I put a little ground cinnamon, nutmeg, a little vanilla. I ordered this on Amazon. I paid like $9 for it. And they say golden vanilla, but I like the white cake mix. You can try it around and see which one you prefer, but I prefer the golden. I prefer the white. I put a little, I don't like, some people put too much cinnamon in their peach desserts. I don't like a whole bunch of cinnamon. My preference is nutmeg over cinnamon, and I use both. A little vanilla extract, just a little. Some recipes you won't see where they add that, but I do. So then you're gonna mix this. I don't add any more sugar because the cake mix is sweet. You're gonna mix this. Then I use the white cake mix. I've used Duncan Hines. I've used whatever. I've even used the Kroger brand. You're going to dump this. And they call this a peach dump cake. It's very comparable to a peach cobbler in my opinion. Normally, if you'll find a recipe, it'll tell you to use this much on a 9 by 13. But I like it a little more. I think that's all I'm going to put. Let me see. And one thing about working in the kitchen, everything, you're not going to like everything somebody else do. You're going to try their way, and then you're going to try your own way. You're going to add your little extra stuff to it or take something away or whatever. I like mine with a little bit of, see, that's still kind of like a little wet. Well, y'all can't see that, I don't believe. But anyway, so let's add a little bit more. I'm not going to add the whole bag, though. Just because this is a little bit of 8 by 8 thing. And I don't want to make it, well, because I want to have a little moisture to it. I don't want it to be dry. You know what I'm saying? So, that's all I'm going to add. And then, along with this, you need a stick of butter. Just 1 stick of butter. Some people use 2, but you're not going to need, and you don't want to melt it. You want to, and I read this from other people. Some people melt it, but if you melt it, you're going to get too much butter in one place. So what I do, I take it and cut it up in pats and place it across the top. But right now, I also add a little bit more just because I like flavor. I don't like nothing that tastes raw. You ever got something that just tastes like something was missing? Y'all, one time I had gone to this restaurant. The lady cooked real good food. And I had a taste that day for a a strawberry shortcake. I had a taste for cheesecake. And I went there and got the cheesecake and got back to the office. It was made out of a box. Y'all, if y'all got a restaurant, don't sell nobody no box made dessert. I mean, I'm not talking about like a cake or whatever, but not no box cheesecake. Because you can get that Philadelphia cream cheese pretty cheap. And all you do is take your butter, your pats, and put oats. Take your pats of butter and just put it on there. Granny Smith and something else though. But I took them, I cut them up, and then I put a little sugar over them. And I cooked them down a little bit and added my cinnamon, nutmeg, a little vanilla, I think. And baby, when I tell you that was the best. Because I was trying to find an apple cobbler recipe. I don't like the one with the oats though. I don't like the oats. But this is what it looks like. We're going to put this in the oven, like I said, on 350 for about 30 to 45 minutes. Probably 45 minutes. But this is what it looked like. I'll be back.
Okay.
All right, y'all. So here is the finished cake.